So stage number 2 of the modification to the trailer, you can see, is I now have the legs here secured. I took the rivet out of the bottom of the stove, and then I made a little L bracket, ironically from the brackets that was holding the OEM refrigerator in place, and braided stainless line going down, as I showed earlier, to the bottom and inside of the trailer. But what is really neat is the replacement of the refrigerator is now a 12-volt unit that slides out. Probably need 2 hands for this, pardon me. And now we have a 12-volt Iceco JP-40 is what this guy is called. I bought the sliders. They're the heavy-duty sliders from Amazon, capable of 250 watt. These are 22-inch longs, and the refrigerator comes with a bag that is a kind of a isolation or insulation bag. It currently runs in eco mode. Not sure you can really see that in there. 36 degrees inside the box, and in eco mode it pulls about 2.5 amps. I have the app from the solar charger sitting here, and currently it's overcast, so it's only pulling 39 watts, but the reefer is running at 2.2, 2.4, 2.5, sitting on the load side here. So that's pretty cool. Just a regular couple of 2x2 aluminum brackets, and you can see that just bolted onto the inside, and then a 3/4 marine grade plywood. And then I created these snaps, because if you put the handles on the reefer, it's not long, it's too long, it's not won't fit in there. So I just took, instead of where the handle sits, M6 bolts and a strap down to the bottom, and that unit is now secured. And that is really cool. I then wired it. You can see in the bottom in here, AutoZone 12-volt, straightly in, followed the wire, drilled a hole through the bottom, fed it on the bottom side of the coach, and then it comes up again all the way forward here, right there, and then it's into the load side of the unit here. Really neat. This is perfect for us. It captures current so much better when it's overcast in comparison to the unit that was in there. So anyway, hope you enjoy. We'll see you soon.